These Pedders adjustable front sway bar end link kit is a performance upgrade designed for the 2015 and newer Mustang owners looking to improve handling, reduce body roll, and fine-tune their suspension geometry. Whether you're taking corners on the track or just want a more planted feel during spirited driving, these adjustable end links allow you to dial in your suspension setup for a more optimal performance. These adjustable front sway bar end links are designed to provide enhanced suspension control and improved responsiveness, making it an excellent upgrade for Mustang owners looking to refine their handling. Featuring a fully adjustable design, these end links allow precise tuning of the sway bar angles, ensuring optimal suspension performance, especially for lowered vehicles or those equipped with aftermarket sway bars. Built from high-strength steel while also having aluminum center turnbuckles, these links are engineered to withstand aggressive driving conditions while providing a durable and reliable connection between the sway bar and the suspension components. Having the premium ball joint on here ensures smooth articulation and reduces unwanted play, contributing to a more consistent and controlled driving experience. Also, the reinforced construction helps minimize body roll, giving the vehicle better cornering stability and enhanced control. To further ensure they last a long time, the end links are coated with a corrosion-resistant red anodized finish, offering protection against rust and wear from those harsh road conditions. These sway bar links are going to be engineered from heavy-duty steel along with the aluminum center, ensuring they can handle the added stress of aggressive driving and suspension modifications. The reinforced ball joints and the high-quality bushings are built to provide long-lasting reliability and smooth movement, even under extreme conditions. This red anodized finish adds a slick custom look, but it also is going to help them stay rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting performance. Now, as far as pricing goes, these are going to come in right around that mid $100 range for the set of two, which is a pretty affordable price point for adjustable sway bars with aluminum center turnbuckles and a slick red finish. Installation on these is straightforward, so it can typically be completed in 20 minutes per side, so we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Since these end links are adjustable, it's recommended to check and adjust the alignment of your sway bar to ensure proper fitment. Now let's see an install video from one of our American Muscle customers and see exactly how these are going to go on your Mustang.
You're going to need an 18mm deep socket, 19mm deep socket, 16mm wrench, 17mm wrench, 18mm wrench, 19mm wrench, 3/4 wrench, and 11/16 just in case. To offset the E-tune, a 6mm Allen bolt, and a 3/4 ratchet. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the stock end link connected to the sway bar here and connected to the strut. So the bolt on the top of the end link is a 19mm socket. You're going to want to use a deep socket for this and really get into it because it's going to be torqued down. Now we're going to go ahead and hit the bottom bolt on the end link, and that's going to be an 18mm. You want to use a wrench, and if you don't have two 18mm, you're going to want to use 3/4 to be able to hold on to the rear part of the bolt as well as the front to get that loose. So you've got a lowered S550. This bolt right here is going to be tilted down and it's going to be impossible to pull out. So what you actually have to do is lift up your rotor or control arm, and I recommend using a little butterfly jack to do that, and you'll be able to get that out once you lift the rotor up just a little bit. And we're about straight right there. So it should just pop right out. At the top and at the bottom. Now what we're going to want to do is adjust the size of the Pedders end link to the size of the OEM. So you do that just by turning that around. As you spin this, you'll see that the bolt starts to show for the adjustable side on both. So you want to get that pretty much same size as OEM. And you're able to adjust this later if you wanted to adjust how your balance is as far as alignment goes. You'll be able to do that once the end links are on the car. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the Petters end link now with the Petters going from bottom to top. And again, make sure that you tighten down these nuts as well. We're gonna hand tighten these and then tighten them down once they're actually secured. So my top is a little bit taller than the OEM, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it down just a bit. All right, it's nice and snug. Let's go ahead and tighten those down with the supplied bolts that we got and the supplied nuts. It's going to be an 18 millimeter again. What I'm going to do is hand tighten the bottom also so it doesn't move. Make sure we got that washer in there. The inside of these bolts is a 6 millimeter Allen key. So what you've got to do is use this 6 millimeter Allen and hold that in place while you secure that nut around it. Alright. Got that torn down pretty well. Now, we have the top one. Both top and bottom are secure. Now we want to go ahead and we've got these hand tightened, these bolts here. Now we want to go ahead and take our 19 millimeter and tighten those down. And that install is complete. So just got to make sure you hand tighten those nuts there and then take your 19 millimeter socket, tighten those down. But yeah, all in all, let's go ahead and put the wheels back on and hit the other side, and we're all set.
All right, well, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Petters adjustable front sway bar end link kit for the 2015 and newer Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.